You know what really makes someone who walked away from you suddenly miss you like crazy? It's not chasing them, not begging, and definitely not posting sad quotes hoping they'll notice. It happens when you finally stop trying and you choose yourself. When you go quiet, truly quiet, something changes. No calls, no checking their page, no asking about them, nothing. Just silence. And in that silence, they start wondering where you went, why you're not there anymore, why the person who always cared just disappeared. Your absence suddenly feels louder than anything you ever said or did when you were still around. And yeah, I know it hurts. I know there are nights you want to break that silence and reach out. But every time you hold back, you become stronger. Every day you choose yourself, you heal a little more. You stop talking about them to your friends, you stop replaying the memories, and you start putting all that energy into becoming someone you actually love being. You begin smiling again. Not because everything is perfect, but because you're finally growing. You pick yourself up, you level up. And the crazy part? People notice you're different, happier, lighter, stronger. Then one day, the very person who left might come back. Not because they suddenly became better, but because they expected you to fall apart without them, and instead, you became someone they can't help but miss. They'll send a hey or like an old picture, just tiny crumbs to see if you still care. But you're not breaking this time. If they truly wanted you, they'd show up with effort, with honesty, with change. You're not here to chase breadcrumbs. You deserve the whole damn loaf. And here's the most surprising part. By the time they finally realize what they lost, you'll look at them and realize you don't want them anymore. Because while they were gone, you built a life that feels peaceful without them in it. You learned that you don't need someone to choose you. You already chose yourself. And that's the moment you win. Not when they regret it, but when you don't. So start today. One small step, make yourself the priority. Heal, grow, live. Because the real glow up is when their loss becomes your blessing, and you're too busy loving your life to even notice when they look back.